Morning children, today we'll start standard 3 mathematics lesson 6 money video 5. Okay, today we will learn about bills. Now what are bills? When we go for shopping we buy the items. Okay, now when we buy the items we have to pay for them. So the cost of the items, when we add them and may find the total cost, for this finding the total cost we prepare a bill. Okay, so now we will start with the exercise, how to prepare the bill. Now in this you see exercise 6F, it is given, find the total money in each bill, also in each case find the amount received as change. So we are going to do one question, so we will do question number 2. Here the amount paid you see rupees 100 and these are the items given and their cost. Okay, so what we will do in our copy, we will make the list of the items and the cost, and the amount paid is written, that is rupees 100. Now we will find out the total cost. Okay, because we have to find out amount received as change, so in order to find the amount received as change we have to find total amount paid is given, and total cost if we will find and we will subtract them, then only we will get the amount received as change. So now what we have to do, we have to add to find the total cost. So we will add them. So 0 plus 5 it is 5, 0 plus 2 it is 2, then we will put the dot, then 5 plus 0 it is 5. Here 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 it is 8. So we got 85 rupees 25 paise. Okay, now we have to find out amount received as change. So amount paid minus this total cost, then we will get the change. So amount paid is rupees 100 and total cost is rupees 85 25 paise. Now we have to subtract it. So what we will do, we will write here rupees 100 and for paise we will put 2 zeros. Then we will put subtract sign. Then here it is 85 rupees 0.225 paise. Okay, now we have to subtract it. Now we will subtract it. So what we have to do, we have to borrow from this number because rest all the digits are 0. So we'll start from here. We will borrow here and we'll make it 10. This will come as your 0. Then from here we will borrow 10. This will come as your 9. From here we will borrow 1 and make it 10. This will become 9. From here we will borrow 1 and make it 10. Okay, and here it will be 9. Children, be careful with the subtraction. Okay, now 10 minus 5 it is your 5. 9 minus 2 it is 7. Then put the dot. 9 minus 5 it is 4 and 9 minus 8 it is 1. So we got the amount as 14 rupees 75 paise. So we will write here as rupees 14.75 paise. Okay, so children, if you are I hope you have understood this. So after doing this 2 number you will try question number 1 by yourself. Okay, now after this we have got review exercises. So review exercises, all the questions we have already done in the exercises, so you will do them in your home copy. Okay, just try them to do in your home copy. Then next we will come for mental maths. In mental maths you see it is given, in short 40 paisa can be written as, so when only 40 when the paisa is only given, what we have to do, in rupees place we have to put 0. So we will write rupees 0, we will put the dot and then we will write 40. Okay, now here in short 200 rupees 5 paisa. Here what we will do, next we will see question number 3. In short 200 rupees 5 paisa can be written as, so here for rupees we will write rupees 200. Then we will put the dot. Now only 5 paisa is given. So in paisa every time 2 digits should be there. So first what we will do, we will put a 0 and then we will write 5. So it will come as rupees 205 paise. Okay, now here rupees 68 paisa means, what you have to do, after the point whatever is given you have to write it in paisa place. So we can write 8 and in rupees it is given 6. So we will write it as 6 rupees 8 paise. Okay, now this questions you can do by yourself. Now come to question number 8. How much is rupees 25 50 paise less than rupees 50? So you have to find out how much is 25 rupees 50 paise less than rupees 50. So what we have to do, we have to subtract it from 50. So we'll write rupees 50 minus rupees 25 rupees 50 paise. So what we will do, we will subtract it here. So we will write here rupees 50. We can put zeros for paise. Then we will write here rupees 25 and here 50 paise. Now we have to subtract it. Okay, so here 0 minus 0 is 0, we will write. From 0 we cannot subtract 5. So from here we will borrow, we will make it 10, and here we will make it 4. From here we will borrow 1 and make it 10, and this will come as your 9. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So we got the answer, and you have to put the point. Okay, don't forget the point, otherwise it will be wrong. So we will write here rupees 24.50, that is 24 rupees 50 paise. Now the next question is given, how many 5 rupee coin can be exchanged for rupees 50? So what we have to do, if we will divide rupees 50 by rupee 5, then we will get the coins, the number of coins. So 5, how much is 50? 10. So we can write 10 coins. That means 10 5 rupee coins we can exchange for rupees 50. Now the last question, which is lesser, rupees 100 5 paise or rupees 100 50 paise? So which is less, 5 paise. So we will write here as rupees 100 5 paise. Okay, here both are same 100, but this 5 paise and 50 paise is making the difference. So only 5 paise, that is less than 50 paise. Hope children you have understood. You have to complete the bill exercise and this mental maths. Mental maths you can do in your books, and the bills you will do in your copy. Okay, so money chapter is over. So complete all your notes for this chapter. Thank you.